Illtraxx Records.
Yeah, video that.
Next on Real Jamaican Foodies. Toby acting an idiot. It's recording.
Hey guys, so it's Real Jamaican Foodies here, and I'm at home. Yeah. So what happened is that I was trying to record a new video for you. However, when I went to the restaurant, they told me that they were about to close. So I didn't get to record a video. However, I want to stop by to share with you guys that I really have an idea. I know that this channel is not about me, but it's about my viewers. So what I want is, if you watch my other video, my last video, at the end you would see where I introduced that I want my viewers to introduce their favorite restaurant in Jamaica and their favorite meal at that restaurant, right? So it have to be in Jamaica, anywhere in Jamaica. I would prefer it be in Montego Bay for now because of the whole pandemic. But I want you to let me know. You can message me on Instagram, you can message me in the comments, and let me know your favorite restaurant, right? And which meal you like at that restaurant. What I'll do is I'll visit that restaurant and I'll have the same exact meal if they have it, right? If they have all the ingredients, and then I'm gonna tell you what I like about that meal. So I'm gonna wait for you to comment down below, right? And tell me your favorite restaurant, right? So I know some of my day ones them go comment down below and tell me them restaurant, right? Yeah. So that's the reason why. What you told them, look?
Now watch your TV like.
So guys, remember to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, subscribe, hit the bell so you can be aware when we drop a new video, right? And I'm looking for the comments, because the first restaurant that is commented below, that's the restaurant I'll be. So Real Jamaican Foodie on the scene, you know what I mean? I'm out.